been oiled once.
Oh, all day.
Yeah. Doesn't squeak or anything. It's just
I've done it again.
yeah, that's correct.
That one's so cool.
So if you look over here, you can see the fire in there. Can you see the fire?
It's so cool. It's actually
That's a real cement.
that's so cool.
Pardon? Yeah. warm.
Oh, look at that. Put a roast in there.
Yeah.
Over your head.
Oh, is there? Lucas, where's the spider? Where's the spider? There's a spider on my hat apparently.
No, not on your hat. It went over us apparently. If it was on you, I would have told you.
Damien, my rag's blown away. Can you put it under some water?
Yep.
Thank you. And then here's one I prepared earlier.
I did wonder why there was a burning smell, Tyler.
Pardon?
I did wonder why there was a burning smell.
That was just my mind. My favourite form of operation tonight. As you can see, I've got a yellow over red up ahead.
Yeah.
So the whole idea is not to catch up to the train in front and to keep yourself in constant motion. That train's doing about 2 kilometres per hour. So that's going to be fun.
So try not to stop at all, pretty much.
Yeah. We might not be lucky. We're crawling along at the moment.
Damn. Oh, there you go. Yours sticks to the right hand one, isn't it?
Pardon?
Yours sticks to the right hand, didn't it?
What?
Your signal's the right hand one, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, wait till you go on the tunnel. There we go.
Oh, yeah, limited approach, yeah.
Anyone 20 to Finbar, feeling get cleared to go for platform 2 arrival into ECR, please.
The great thing about this tunnel is that there's a slight incline in the middle.
Yeah.
So you slow down and then it hits the middle.
And then it takes off.
And then once it gets over, it takes off. So then by the time you hit this gantry, you turn around, the guard gets the green, you go back, and then you're back at the speed limit.
Beautiful.
And then nothing. Let's see if I can make it without stopping.
Oh.
Very awkward.
It's so hard with steam.
One. Come on, we can do this.
Oh, you might have a chance.
Yeah, we got it. Here, not so lucky.
I'm taking the big boards down from down the road.
Oh, excellent.
Just sitting up at the fence there.
Beautiful. Thank you, Bill. Which fence, sorry?
You'll see them as you go round.
Okay.
They know where they're going. Those lights are glowing off your steam.
Yeah.
Amazingly.
That's so cool.
On the green.
Green for 2.
Green for 2, drive.
Yeah, I don't think we'll be so lucky.
Stop short of the platform?
Like, they don't have anyone in front of them.
No.
on the bridge. That's good. Hey, I'm not calling for you to say again your last. Just a time point, we can go with the extra message of my voice. Thank you. Acknowledge. DG, watch the guard safety, please. Repeat message. Who wants to wear a railway party?
I'm not liking the chances, Tyler.
Oh, I like my chances. Wait, ready?
Oh, no, you might. Yeah, you might.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change.
Oh, yay!
When the train has stopped, please step out with your right foot first. Thank you for riding Diamond Valley Railway.